Another day on the yard. Pre-trip inspection. Just a trailer. That's how we do it. Got trucks. My tires. Let's start with my catwalk. My catwalk all mine and secured, not been or broken. My mud flaps. This your mud flaps. Mud flaps all mine and secured, not been or broken. The tires all mine and secured, not been or broken. The back tire don't have, supposed to have 232 of thread. My rim all mine and secured, not been or broken. My hub seal all mine and secured, not been or broken. And my hub seal not leaking. And my lug nuts all mine and secured, and all of them tight. Now, what are your? This your leaf springs, and your U-boat. Leaf springs and U-boats. This your U-boats. All mine and secured, not been or broken. Brake chambers. All mine and secured, not been or broken. Look, back light. Red lights is your service light. White lights is your brake light. All mine and secured, not been or broken. It's your mud flap. All mine and secured, not been or broken. Y'all gotta name the same. All the parts from the front, you gotta name it on the back. It's the shock absorbers. Shock absorbers all mounted and secured, not been or broken. And the shock absorber seal all mounted and secured, not been or broken. Oh, see, this your fifth wheel latch. All mounted and secured, not been or broken. See these airbags. This how airbags look on the truck if y'all ain't never seen it before. They got two of them on each side. Oh. Go to my header board. My header board, all mine and secured, not been or broken. And my header board lights, clear with no cracks. Got my pigtail. This your pigtail, all mine and secured, not been or broken. I got my 3 service lines. The brake service line, the emergency service line, and the electrical line. All mine and secured, and it's not leaking. This is glide hands. Glad hands, all mine and secured, not been or broken. Yeah. Y'all subscribe to my videos, because I update videos constantly. It's what it is, all day.